Okay, what we have here is a failure to communicate. Alright, so what I did here was I put some longer tubes on this thing because it was nose diving. Well, somebody had, this is a 85 FX, there's only a few of them made. So it still had the 4-speed with the updated clutch that they used to 1989. I didn't film it. I didn't feel like it. I got the sinus infection, man. I just had a big headache. So we did that and we got this thing up. So these were 2 over FX. So that's 4 over, approximately 4 over that FLT nose diving. That's an FLT front end. Some weird, obnoxious alien headlight looking thing. It kind of looks like a pointy booby, doesn't it? Yeah, I don't like it. It's ugly. And now we're just working on the back end. Say hi to the oldest apprentice on earth. Alright, so what we did, wow, where is that old one? Here. Yeah, let's see that thing. So here's what was on the back of his wheel. Do you see anything wrong with this picture? Besides it being mostly worn out, probably from oil and dirt grinding away, but the inside ring's gone. Well, you don't need that. Well, was that one of the reasons that the belt was so tight? I don't know. But it sure did the damage to the bushing. I just happen to have another one. So, we got that fixed. And so, we're lining up this back wheel. The brake, geez, that brake looks weird. Just going to unplug from Uno Momento, whatever they say over there. This brake wasn't lining up. I was like, what the hell's going on? Somebody had used lithium in the 2 pins, and this brake's supposed to float. This pin was seized and rusty. This one was kind of floating. So I couldn't float the brake back over to get this aligned on the wheel properly. And if you look at the brake rotor, where did I put that wheel? If you look at this brake rotor, now you've got centered pads, which are abrasive. You see that? Now it's not huge gouges, but you can see where it's been rubbing. See, it's all wrong. And I warn guys about using lithium on stuff. A buddy of mine was rebuilding engines. And if the engine sat for any length of time, it would get hard and crusty in the bearings and the engine. And so I just avoid using it unless I'm using it for something that is immediately rolling. Not something that's going to sit for any length of time. Oh shit, I just had a deja vu. So what we're going to do is use the silver anti-seize. I know it's that Permatex company I don't care for, but that's what they had when I needed it. So what we're going to do, and then now we can get this brake floating. We've cleaned all the pins, and we're just going to lube her with some anti-seize and get this thing looking good again, so it actually works. But yeah, if anything's going to sit for any length of time, I don't advise using lithium. It does, it gets hard. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's Bondo or something. You should never Bondo this stuff. You should never put anything on your motor mounts that can change them or lift them. Or this is supposed to stay square. But anyways, yeah, we'll get this back wheel figured out. And then I did a swing test on this. Well, I'll be doing other ones, so I'll show you guys how to do it. But I still got to tighten these up, torque everything up, and run some oil in the tubes, some fresh oil. Well, let's see. that's where we're at for now. So we're going to get this brake assembled, get this back wheel back assembled, and get the drivetrain installed, and I'll give you an update on the drivetrain and the ethics and zen about making sure your drivetrain goes in correct so you don't go and break your inner primary. Cheers.